Hi guys, this is the unboxing for the Chitu Systems version 2 of their heater for the resin printer or any other 3D printer. They say that it's 3 times more powerful. So yeah, so that's it. And that's the packaging. It's about I would say around $50 US, and so it comes with a booklet. That's for the sides, so you can seal. That's the heater. It's got 2 fans here and the other side, and this is the outlet which is on the top. So I'm not sure if, because the air would not go directly on the vat, it will go up, so I'm not sure how effective that would be, but I'll try. I would think that if the air would be coming out from here, that would be more effective, but it seems to be that it's gonna come out from here. And then it's got this, the controls, the on and off switch here. It comes with some other attachments. All right, so I'm gonna give it a try and see how it's gonna work. And just for comparison, this is the build plate for the frozen mini for 8KS, and that's the heater. Yeah, I'm not sure about the design, but they say that it's better. Thank you.